What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style OG. In today's video, I've got an unboxing and review of the Dean Chelsea boot from Paul Evans. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like DeJuan McGuire, salute. Now on this channel, you guys ask my opinion on a lot of different brands. What's my experience been? How do I like them? Are they worth it? And hands down, one of the #1 brands I get asked about a lot is Paul Evans. But up till now, I hadn't had any experiences with the company. Now first up, this video is not sponsored, although Paul Evans did send the shoes over. But there was no promise whether I even would review them, show them on Instagram or on this channel. So you're gonna get an unbiased opinion when I check them out. Now, what have I heard from a lot of people thus far that have experience with Paul Evans is that they really like the shoes, but they really push back on the price. So what we're gonna do in today's video, I'm gonna unbox the shoes, take a detailed look at them, put them on, see how they feel. I'm gonna give you my overall opinion on the shoes and the whole experience in ordering them. Now, I would love to hear from any of you guys out there that have any experience with the Paul Evans brand. Let me know, do you think they're worth it? The quality, the look? Let me know your opinion and your experiences with this brand. So without further ado, let's get into my review of these Paul Evans Chelsea boots, the Dean model. Now, Paul Evans positions themselves as a direct-to-consumer company that provides high-end luxury shoes. They say they have luxury footwear, insanely stylish, very comfortable, made of the highest quality materials direct from Naples, Italy. They claim to have unique finishes and all of their shoes are hand-painted. And in their marketing, they say they are an investment brand, a high-end luxury shoe. I went into this knowing these are gonna be kind of expensive shoes. Now, the price ranges that you see on their site range from about $300 to $500. This Dean Chelsea boot that I got retails for $425. Now, first off, let's talk about the customer experience. Now, what they had me do, they had me order them just like I was a regular customer. They just gave me a voucher to pay for them. So I went through the same process as anybody else. Paul Evans, they're a direct-to-consumer company, so you have to pre-order the shoe and then they send it out to you when it's ready. And that's one of the cons of these direct-to-consumer companies. It can take a while to receive your order. In this case, I ordered these shoes around August the 12th. I got them around December the 12th. So we're talking 4 whole months. So now let's get into what you came here for. Let's do the unboxing and a review of these Dean Chelsea boots from Paul Evans in Oxblood. Now, if you didn't know, one of my favorite and I think one of the most underrated colors in shoes is Oxblood/burgundy. Guys need to select that color more often. Now, as you can see here, what you get with these shoes, you get a nice standard box with the little Paul Evans logo on the top, nothing that special. Open it up, as you can see, you get 2 nice full dust bags, one for each shoe with the Paul Evans logo. And inside, you have this nice metal shoe horn. Now let's get to the shoe. Pull it out of this plastic. Woo, now I'm telling you, on first blush, these shoes are beautiful. Nice, beautiful, rich, luxurious leather. Now these come in a full grain Italian calfskin leather upper, a matching closed channel leather sole, a black interior leather lining, and they come with blade construction. If you don't know much about blade construction, it's the way the shoe is stitched that you can get it resold. One of the selling points of what I like about a blade construction shoe is that it's more aesthetically appealing, sleeker, and just better looking than a Goodyear welt. So a lot of times if you want a nice aesthetically appealing shoe, you want blade construction over Goodyear welting. The blade construction, you're gonna have more sole flexibility, and the shoe is probably gonna be a little bit more comfortable, sleek, and fashionable. Like I said, these are painted by hand and made in Italy. Now, without a doubt, as you can see, these are some of the most beautiful shoes I've ever owned. I've had shoes below this price and I've paid for shoes above this price. I've bought shoes from $50 up to $700, $800. Now, in this price range around $425, you're probably gonna compete with shoes like Magnani, to Boot New York, a little bit below the Gucci Salvatore Ferragamo price range. So just by the look of them, the aesthetic, the way they're cut, I'm completely satisfied. As a matter of fact, I'm kind of blown away by how beautiful, how rich. I love the patina, the hand painting. I can't complain at all. Now let me try them on. Let's see if they look as good on foot as they do in hand. Now, as you can see, I threw them on real quick with my favorite wool trousers. And right off, the sizing is on point. They said a full size down. I definitely suggest you go a full size down. Like I said, I wear an 11.5. These are 10.5, fit perfectly. And as far as the comfort in the shoe, they feel extremely comfortable just walking around in the studio. I don't know how they're gonna feel after a full day walking around in them, but on first try on, very comfortable. I can definitely see me wearing these in a wide range of situations. A leather Chelsea belt is just smooth, sexy. You can dress it up and dress it down a little bit. Throw it on with trousers, throw it on with a suit. You can wear this in a lot of ways. Now let's talk about my overall opinion and experience with this shoe. Now hands down, it's a beautiful, gorgeous boot. Some of the best shoes I've ever owned, especially look-wise and comfort level. I have no complaints. Now as far as the drawbacks, the 4-month wait time, very, very long wait. You have to really want a pair of Paul Evans shoes to wait that long. I've ordered from other direct-to-consumer companies and I've never had to wait that long, so that's a minus. Now as far as the pushback a lot of guys give for the price, in my opinion, $425 for these shoes is not a bad price. You're getting handmade, full grain leather, high quality, beautiful shoe. I would love to hear from you guys out there that think the price is too high. Give me some shoes or some boots similar to these that you think is gonna be significantly less but look just as good. Now I do understand $425 is a healthy investment in this shoe, but something like this is an investment. This is a shoe I'm gonna probably have for the rest of my life. Do I think it's worth $425? Would I pay $425 for this boot? I definitely would. Final summation, on a scale of 1 to 10 on the salute scale, add up the look, the price, the beauty, how much I love this shoe, and the customer experience. Gotta subtract points for that. All in all, I'm gonna give this Paul Evans, the Dean Chelsea boot, in Oxblood, 9 salutes. Okay, so there you have it. My review of the Dean Chelsea boot from Paul Evans in Oxblood. Like I said before, I would love to hear in the comment section from you guys that have experience on the Paul Evans brand, and let me know, do you think these boots are worth $425? As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.